In this question, we're asked to find the value of this definite integral here. Now, the first thing we need to do is to actually expand these brackets. So let me just do the first two over here for you. So we've got x plus 1, and we're multiplying that by x plus 2. Well, here we would get an x squared term here. We would have an x term here and a 2x. That would give me a plus 3x. And we'd also get a plus 2. Now I need to multiply that by x minus 1. So expanding this one, so we'd get an x cubed term, so x cubed. We then have a 3x squared minus an x squared, so that would give me a 2x squared. And for the x terms, well, we'd have a plus 2x minus 3x, that would give me a negative x there, and we'd end up with a negative 2 on the end there. So what we've got is x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2, and that's all with respect to x. So let's go ahead and do the integration. So x cubed integrated would give me x to the power 4 over 4. We'd then have 2x cubed over 3. We'd have minus x squared over 2, and then minus 2x. Pop in our brackets and add the limits. Now the next step is to pop in the limits. So starting with the first one here, 1. So we'd end up with that 1 over 4 here. We'd have plus 2 over 3 minus a half and minus 2. And we need to subtract, let's put this limit in it as well. So negative 2 to the power 4, well, that would be 16, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. Negative 2 into here would give me a negative 8 times the 2, so that would be negative 16 over 3. Negative 2 squared would be positive 4 over 2, but we've got this negative as well, so I'd get a negative 2. And negative 2 into here, we end up with a positive 4. So now all we're left to do is to actually simplify this. Now this does actually simplify quite well. If we look at this second bracket here, I've got 4 and 4 is 8, and take away the 2 would give me 6. And here, well, I've got 5 and 1/3. So 6 subtract 5 and 1/3 would leave me with 2/3 there. So I'm going to subtract 2/3. And over here, well, I've got negative 2.5 plus a quarter. So negative 2.5 plus a quarter, well, that's negative 2 1/4. And we've got the plus 2/3. Now see, this 2/3 and this 2/3 would cancel, and we're left with negative 2 and 1/4. Now, if you found this lesson useful, please give me a thumbs up, and in the comments section, tell me what country you're from and which video lessons you would like to see in the future.